YouTube! Alright, y'all, so welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we got a little bit different scenery from my video, what, a year and a half ago. Since then, there's been a lot of updates. Kids are more grown, we moved houses, and I did pass my extra exam. I passed that back last spring, I believe. And I've also updated and changed my call sign from KD8SJM to November 1 Uniform India. This video here is kind of a reintroduction, I guess, and also an unboxing. I purchased the Yaesu FT891 and also an Alinco switching power supply. So we're gonna do a little unboxing of those today. And then I also ordered the Wolf River Coil 1000 Silver Bullet. I know there's a lot of unboxings out there already, so if that's not something you guys want to watch, that's fine, I understand, but I just wanted to make one for my channel and for documentation purposes, and just kind of my journey for ham radio. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Alright, so first up we have the Alinco switching power supply. This is a 32 amp peak. It's a 30 amp continuous power supply. I actually bought both of the I bought both the radio and the power supply from DX Engineering.
This is ours.
And
this is mine.
One thing real quick, actually two things real quick. This is Faith, if nobody knows. How old are you, Faith?
1.
She's 3. And secondly, I ordered both of these from DX Engineering. I ordered them yesterday. I ordered them late in the night, probably about 4 o'clock or something like that Eastern time. And talk about fast shipping. These were to me via UPS by 10:30 this morning.
Yeah.
So I thought that was a pretty good turnaround time.
What's this, Dada?
That is the power cord.
Is that here for your radio? Yeah. Take it out. Take it out. Okay. Stop.
Alright, so on the front, you got your cigarette plug there. This looks like it has a 10 amp max on the cigarette. Yeah, hold on. And then it has your plugs here, max of 5 amps, your on-off switch. This right here, you can flip this up or down, and it will basically toggle between amps and voltage for the meter. And then this here, one, you actually adjust the voltage regulator, and the other one is your noise offset. And on the back, yep, you have a fan. You have 2 more outputs, which are max 32 amp. Like I said, this is 30 amps continuous.
Is this Dada?
That's where we're gonna plug the radio in at. It is fuse protected. Here's your ground. This is the power supply that I went with. So I'll be doing a review on this once I've used it for a little while to see how it's been for me. All right, y'all. Now we are on to the main attraction here, the radio.
Yeah, the radio. Open it.
We have the Yaesu FT891. It's a HF only 50 megahertz radio. Does not have the 2 meters and 70 centimeters. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing.
Yeah. What's in there? See what's in there.
The radio's in here.
See it. Yay. What?
Alright, so first thing out the box is the Yaesu warranty card. Put that to the side. We have the Yaesu 891 FT891 operating manual.
What's in here?
Of course, we have the Yaesu sticker. Gotta have that.
A sticker.
Yep.
Where?
And then over here we have the power supply cord. We have the head unit, which we'll look at here in a second. We got some mounting screws, an extra fuse, more screws there. Have the mobile mounting bracket there. And then the microphone.
Microphone?
Yep.
How's a microphone?
Well, this is how you talk in the radio.
How you talking radio?
standard microphone. Alright, and then here is the head unit. Take a look at that. This knob does have a little tensioner there. You can turn that and it spins a little more freely there. And then, last but certainly not least, we have the actual radio itself. Alright, so long waited for package here, the Wolf River Coil, the 1000 Silver Bullet or Silver Bullet 1000. Just came in the mail, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so here it is. Everything kind of came in one package here. Now with this here, I did purchase it with the larger 24-inch tripod. So it looks like you got the 3 tripod legs here. There is the telescopic whip. Got your SO connector there. Three radials, and here is the actual coil itself. Again, this is the Silver Bullet 1000. That's pretty good. And then just some instructions. The main reason why I got this antenna was because I do plan on doing some POTA, Parks on the Air activations. Also where I live kind of close to other houses. So I wanted something that I could easily deploy and tear down. That's the main reason why I got this antenna here. I mean, I can easily fit in to a backpack or into, you know, like a bag or something like that. So yeah, that is the Wolf River Coil Silver Bullet 1000. They do also have a mini version of this coil as well. This coil will do 80 meters all the way down to, I believe it's 10 meters. And the mini will do 40 through, I think it's 10. So alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, and we'll get it tuned up and see what we got.